you to select a category, and what I do is a job, and I'm looking to fill a position. And then it's going to ask me some information. For example, what is the job? So here's an example of what I do. Home-based business / travel. And then it asks for a subcategory, and I go way down to the bottom and pick work at home, self-employed. Then click OK. And now you can target this ad for anywhere in the world, which is the wonderful thing. So I targeted this particular ad for San Francisco because that's a big major city that's not too far from me. You can pick the town that you're in. You can pick other countries if you want to target them. So go ahead and fill this out to pick the area that you want to target for this ad. And then you want to click to everyone. And I haven't been able to figure out how to add a photo. It doesn't seem to work. Maybe I need to try this in Firefox because I'm in Chrome and it might not be compatible. So why is it available? As an example, for my particular sales position, I'm looking for partners in a travel home business. So I say travel and tourism is seeing massive growth in the United States and around the world. And then describe it. You want to put a description. And here's the description that I came up with as an example. Ground floor opportunity to develop a local Bay Area team, because San Francisco is called the Bay Area. But you pick whatever city you're choosing. So you might want to say ground floor opportunity to, I would say, join a local Bay Area sales team, or a local Chicago sales team, whatever city you're going after. And then I just put a little bit more. Receive discounted travel and earn full-time income with a part-time work as part of our international team. Full training is provided. Work your own hours from home and online, and then visit this website. Now make sure this is a lead capture page you're sending them to. If you don't have a lead capture page, online sales funnel for your opportunity, I would then tell them to call you, and for more information, call or email, and give them your email or your phone number. Fill out the form on the next page. It'll give you full access to the site. That's because I have a lead capture page for my business. A local associate will contact you to arrange a personal online tour of our self-employment opportunity. Now you can change that as you don't have to use that. Now it will post it on. I'm looking to hire a home-based business / travel through Facebook Marketplace. I don't really ground floor opportunity, and then they can click here to view the listing. But excuse me, let me go back to that URL. They're looking for, let's say they're searching for a job, and then what they do, and they might look for jobs in their area. People do this. There's millions of people on Facebook. So they could go down here and look for a job in their area. Notice how this is San Francisco. If I say see all, I might be able to pick these jobs, and that's how they're. And I'd love to hear from you. Post a comment. Let me know if you have